Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of the animals and bird zoos of Singapore Zoo called Rainforest Fights Back. I hope you'll enjoy it too, so come let's enjoy this show together.
Hello, everybody! Hi! Welcome to Singapore Zoo and to the Rainforest Flight Black, proudly presented by the Cabriolet. But my name is Nat and I'll be your host for today. But today we have something special coming up for all of you because we will be bringing out so many animals for some training sessions for upcoming new show. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Well, the rainforest is home to a fascinating array of creatures, gigantic trees, colorful birds, and also mysterious reptiles. And the only reason why the rainforest is fights back, and that's because it is the most endangered habitat here in, and it is home to more than 50% of the plant and animal species. Now, without further ado, we're now going to travel all around the world. First up is South America. Next to animals, they have a snout that looks just like a pig, a tail that looks just like a raccoon, and they can climb up on trees just like monkeys. Now right over here we have a pair of brothers. We have Sumo and Nike, and they are brown-nosed quadrumandis. For the quadis, they have sharp claws which they present the river part of the logs and tall straws. They are omnivores, so they eat fruits and of course vegetables. Now, if you guys take a look on Nike and Sumo just now, is that they are completely different, right? That's all because Nike is currently facing a hormonal imbalance called the thyroid. But even so, he's healthy as a horse right now. Alright, well, they are omnivores, so they eat fruits and of course vegetables. So let's give him a big round of applause. Alright, okay. Now, still in South America, we're not going to travel to Colombia to meet up with two of our smallest species of primates. They go by the name of Rico and Esteban. So let's take a look at them right here. Oh, this is Alia, by the way. The one that's coming on is right up there. This is Rico and Esteban, our cotton-top tamarins. Now, the cotton-top tamarins, they are one of the smallest species of primates in the world, weighing at least about 500 to 650 grams. But they are listed to be critically endangered species, and that's due to habitat loss. They are all free-ranging animals, which means throughout the entire day, they are allowed to free-range the entire zoo, and they'll come back home using this sound called the buzzer. Hey, what's the buzzer? There you go. Alright, if you guys do spot them around, please just say hello to them or even take a selfie. They're really nice. But always remember this, do not feed zoo animals with your food. It may cause them to have a tummy upset, okay? And then from South America, we're going to travel to a small and beautiful island called Madagascar. Today's the animals, they're black and white. They're quite famous for the movies. I bet you remember them. This is our ringtail lemur. It looks like our tamarins is looking up again. Okay, now this is SB, everybody. Now ringtail lemurs are very sociable animals, so when they're on the ground, they do the tail high up in the air and wave it just like a flag to ensure that the group stays together. Now the lemurs, they are very agile. They can jump about twice their height. So today, we're going to show you how it's done. So this is Lavin. Lavin's going to bring SB to this scout right over here. And soon we'll be joined in by SB's son. We're going to have Bibi. Alongside with him is his trainer John. Okay, children and parents, please ensure you do not touch our animals. Okay, they have very sharp teeth and they only recognize the trainers. Hi, please don't do that, ma'am. Alright, okay, we're going to take a look at my trainers. We do give ourselves a stick. This is actually called a target stick. Well, the target is an extension to the trainer's hands to point at animals to move from point to point. And of course, you do hear whistling sounds. As trainers, we do carry ourselves a whistle. It helps us to bridge every time an animal does a good job. And by doing a good job, they will be
What did our life
trees. So right now, join the is going to show us what the
I thought you said you don't have to
do when they have an argument. They have future to meet up with our recycling ambassador. He goes by the name of Wiz, and he's gonna help me out, okay? So whenever you're ready, hi Wiz! Okay, Wiz here is our Asian small-part otter, the smallest otter species in the world, in the Turkic family, okay? They can be found from Southeast Asia and even as far off as India. Going as far as you can. Is that one wrong? You got it, and there we go. So you know you guys, the message here is very simple. If you can train an otter to recycle, you guys can recycle on your own too. So let's give it up one more time for Wiz. And Ingrid. Alright, okay. So right now we're gonna travel back to Africa, okay? I'm gonna let all of you meet up with one of our newest friends. He goes by the name of Shade, and Shade is our trumpeter hornbill. We're gonna see if she's out here today. Shade, anytime that you are ready. Let me see, can I see her? Oh, there she is hopping down right over here. Shade, right over here, buddy. Okay, she needs to see me first also. Okay, let me stand right here, okay? Hey girl. Okay, now the trumpeter hornbills, they are native to Africa. And what I call the trumpeter hornbills because of the vocalizations that they make when they fly across or when they need to talk to someone else. Alright, okay. Now if you take a look on top of her head, that large thing is actually called a cusp. It is very guaranteed in the same substance of our hair and our fingernails. Now believe it or not, it's not heavy for her. It's made of keratin, right? So she weighs even lighter than one of the cotton top tamarins that you just met. She's at least about 400 grams only. Now here in Singapore, we do have another species of hornbills. We call them the oriental part hornbills. For those of you guys who are locals here, you guys can spot them in places such as Sungai Buloh and Sentosa. So we're going to do one last flight to me, and I'm going to show you how hornbills capture their prey in mid-flight. So in my hand, I have a piece of grape, and we'll see if she's able to capture it. Shade, come. Right here, girl. There we go. Good girl. Yeah. Shade likes to talk a lot. Okay, so let's see if she's able to catch me. Shade, ready? Alright, here we go. And up. Hey, let's give a big round of applause. The newest addition to our family over here. Alright, okay. That was exciting, right? Okay, alright guys. Unfortunately, today's animal has a very, very nasty reputation. That's only because some people think that they are evil. That is strike with no reason at all. The worst one is that people do get nervous when they hear this sound. Very simple, right? Snakes. The snakes they can be found in a lot of different places in this world, okay? So they can be found up in a canopy, in the trees, in the bushes, swimming in the waters, and if you are lucky, underneath your seats. Anybody has a snake underneath your seats? We are a wild farm. We've got wild snakes. Don't have? Okay, let me help you find it, okay? Well, everybody, look what I have here. This handsome boy is called Brutus, and Brutus is a ball python, otherwise known as the royal python. They call the ball python simply because when they get scared or nervous, they contact themselves up into the shape of a ball, somewhat like this. They are also known to be the royal python because it is believed that the legendary Queen Cleopatra used it as ornaments around her neck and also on her wrists. So I have a very quick question for all of you, okay? Pythons, they are constrictors, so are they venomous? Yes or no? I hear a lot many of you say yes, they're venomous? Okay, how many of you say no, they're not venomous? Wow, last question is, how many of you guys don't know the answer? Very nice. Okay, today we're on to something new, okay? The truth is, pythons, they're not venomous. Now, how do they go? By killing their prey is simply by striking at them, pointing around them, suffocating them to death, and swallow them whole. Well, the thing about snakes is that they can open their mouth about 4 times the size of their head. So no, Buddhas is not going to eat anybody, okay? If you do see snakes in the wild, please try not to touch them. They are very shy in nature, but they will not hesitate to tell you how they feel about you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Buddhas is a very handsome snake, right? Handsome snakes like this are often caught in the exotic pet trade, especially here in Singapore. Here in Singapore, we're not allowed to keep snakes as pets. So many years ago, Buddhas was actually given to us by the local authorities. But it is about time for us to move on from the snake. We are now going to travel all the way back to Southeast Asia to meet up with 2 of our youngest stars of the show. This is our greater hawk badger, John and Marshall. Well, the greater hawk badgers are native throughout Southeast Asia. But due to the numbers declining, they are protected species in India and also in Thailand. Well, little is said about them, that's only because greater hawk badgers are very shy in nature and are highly lucid. So you guys are very lucky to see the boys out here real close. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the animals that you guys have just seen here today, their friends are fighting enemies in battle, and that's because of us men. We create pollution. We create massive deforestation, and we are also responsible for illegal wildlife trade. In the next segment, I need you guys to watch carefully and start to think whether you want to be part of the problem or start being a part of the solution. So take a minute and have a look. There's a reason why we hold presentations like this. But sadly, we have to say that in 30 years' time, all the rainforests will disappear. That means your children, or maybe even their grandchildren, will not be able to witness these kinds of animals where anywhere at all. You know, the thing is, we are the planet's biggest strength, but we are also its only home. So you know what, ladies and gentlemen, let us all stand as one and bring a voice to the voiceless creatures. With a rainforest, let's go.
That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed watching my today's video. Keep watching if you liked it, and see you soon in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.